Waterfall methodologies versus Agile methodologies. Know the differences. Waterfall versus Agile methodologies. Project management is the process that can make or break an organization. Even though Agile or Waterfall methodologies are not a technical part of the project management system, yet they are very important for an organization. In order to understand the models, it is important to go through an Agile training and learn about it in depth. What is Agile or Agile model? Agile methodology is an exercise that helps in continuous iteration of developing and testing the software development process of an organization. In this model, development and testing activities are coexisting. Unlike the waterfall model, the process opens more ways to communicate between customers, developers, managers, and testers. What is waterfall or waterfall model? Waterfall model methodology is also called linear sequential lifecycle model due to its nature. Waterfall model track the chronological order of a project, and the project development team moves to next segment of development or testing only if the previous step completed successfully. It helps in making your team efficient and eliminates the chances of errors or failures. The models might sound a bit confusing, but are actually not. They need to be understood and implemented to ensure deliveries of successful, satisfactory projects. It is recommended that you attend an Agile training in order to completely become a master in Agile and Waterfall methodologies. Now that you know what the models are about, let's move straight towards Agile vs Waterfall model. Difference between Agile and Waterfall methodologies. Do you know the difference between Agile and Waterfall methodologies? Read below and find out everything you have been missing out on. Waterfall projects tend to assume 100% rule, and this tends to order the building, mainly by technical dependency or what the experts want to do first. Whereas Agile projects use adaptive planning, have a prioritized product backlog from which one could execute the Pareto rule. Waterfall projects do not have a working software until very late in the cycle and allows value realization only upon completion or at the end. Agile projects get feedback from a working software early and supports realization of value earlier and potentially after every sprint or iteration. Waterfall tries to keep to the initial plan. Agile projects assume that there is a lot we don't know yet, and it focuses on maximizing the learning throughout a project. Waterfall project optimizes conformant to schedule and budget. Agile projects optimize business value, time to market, and quality. Waterfall projects put most responsibility on the project manager. Agile projects put most responsibility on the small dedicated team. Thanks for watching. Subscribe MindSuppress for more videos.